Hey guys, this is Dale. On this video, I'm going to explain to you, share with you my top three crypto miner investment projects and exactly why I chose these three. About a week ago or so, I got into my first miner, which was baked beans, and let some friends and business associates and clients know what I was doing and why. And, I guess some people are just reading their email today. And one guy said, well, Dale, you've made fun of these type programs your entire life and now you're investing in them. And here's the truth. These type of programs have not been around ever in my entire life. The first program, which was Baked Beans, which now has over $14 million uh, equity locked in it, was started in November. So I understand why people are trying to tell me that, but the reality of it is, guys, did you watch the videos? Did you watch any of the videos I've done? Here's the way I'm looking at this, and it and this is the only way to look at it, in my opinion. The three that I'm working with, and I'll explain this in a little bit more detail in a second, but baked beans, roast beef, and go grinder. And honestly, just saying roast beef and baked beans makes me cringe. And I get that and I understand that and I'm with you, okay? But, you know, here's the bottom line. Baked beans pays, I think, 8%, roast beef 9, and go grinder 10% daily, daily. So if I put 500 or 250 or $1,000, say $1,000 into any one of these, and I'm getting back 8 to 10% daily, then within 12 days, I've recouped my investment. Within 24 days, I've doubled my money. And within about a month, I've made, you know, 200, 300% return on my money. And these are not businesses, are not my primary focus, but from a investment standpoint in the DeFi crypto space right now at this moment, in my opinion, they're the hottest thing out there. And baked beans was the granddaddy. It was the one that started. It's my favorite because it's got so much locked liquidity. But there's over 150,000, or excuse me, 150 splits, forks from this baked beans project, and they are popping up multiple programs daily. So I think there's a right time to get in, there's a wrong time to get in. And when you see one of these, based upon the facts that I've talked about in other videos, how you can go in and look at how much locked equity there is, look at the popularity, look at the growth, how many new people are being added, how much new funding are coming into these protocols. When you can look at those numbers and what I call go behind the curtain and see it, and then you ask yourself, what are the odds that this is going to last 30 days? And if it's over 70%, and really with these, I would say 90%, then to me, it's like most of the people that I talk to are in business to make money. And these are really quick, easy plays to do quick turnarounds. Now, baked beans is doing a lot of other things. They're looking and adding different ways to add liquidity to the protocol, and they may be here a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now. It's possible, not likely, but it may be gone tomorrow, and I can handle that risk. If I lose it all tomorrow, I lose it all tomorrow. But if it's here 30 days from now, I've made 3 times my money. And if I can convince my wife to let me put $10,000 in one of these and turn 10,000 into 30,000 in 30 days, then I'll look like a genius. And so I understand a lot of my friends are giving me heck over this, and I don't blame you, and I'm okay with that. We're still buddies, but it is what it is. These are the three. Here's why. I've done the research. I'm not going to get into all the research and what I do on this particular video. They're on other videos, but I've done the research. I feel confident that they're going to be here 30 days from now, and that's the way I'm looking at this. Okay, it's not my primary business by far, and it's definitely not my primary crypto investments. My real world crypto foundation has been established. And my suggestion is if you haven't done that, do that first. I've got my IRA, my crypto IRA set up. I've got my crypto, I call it savings account set up. I know my blue chips that I'm feel good about that I'm putting money into. I know my metaverse coins, my gaming coins that are speculative, but I think have upside potential, like Gala Games and others. And so those have been bought, and I'm continuing to buy those. Um, my foundation has been set up with a savings account IRA, as I've already mentioned. So my foundation has been set up in this crypto world, and I feel good about it. So now I'm going to get into some DeFi projects. What the hottest DeFi projects at the moment, in my opinion, are these baked beans forks. I'm going to invest in three and only three. And if I have to change one out, I'll change one out in a couple weeks or a couple months. I'll change one out with a new one that I feel like is strong and growing and moving in the right direction. If one starts falling, I'll come out of it and go into another one. But I'm investing in three. I'm not in 33. I'm not just throwing darts at a dartboard. There's a reason I picked these three. So again, that's where I'm coming from. My real business in the crypto space is is Helium Hotspot boxes through iHub Global, and this is the real business. I mean, right now, currently, we have 4,000 team members in about 15 countries around the world, and I believe we'll have 30,000 by the end of this year. And this is a multi-million dollar opportunity, in my opinion. Imagine having, you know, 500,000, 4,000 as we have now, or 30,000 down the road of these boxes that are plugged in all over the world. Helium mining boxes, mining HNT, that we get a small percent of all of them. You know, J. Paul Getty had it right, guys. He had it right. I'd rather earn 1% on 100 people's efforts than 100% on my own. And if you've not looked at this program, forget these baked beans and baked bean splits and go look at this if you really want to create wealth. Okay, so this is just something on the side that I'm doing, and I've already explained to you why, but let me just share with you real quickly why I chose these three or more information about these three that hopefully will help you because I'm getting a ton of questions. I'm getting people making fun of me, and I'm also getting questions. And for those of you that are seriously want to know what's going on and why, this will help you. So I'll put all three of these links in below the video description. But this is the original video I did on baked beans. And you can go through here and I walk you through why and the information and then the 5 steps. Boom, boom, boom. These are the 5 steps you follow to invest in these programs. And I think I do invest live online, I believe, in this video. It pays me 8% a day. It's got over $14 million locked up. It's number one. It was the granddaddy. It's the original. It's the OG. Uh, even if nobody else gets involved with this program, which many will, but if nobody else, it's still going to, in my opinion, is going to be paying out for a while, for a while. So that's the number one is baked beans. The second one is roast beef. And again, I know baked beans, roast beef, but again, I go through the information. I go through the 5 steps here as well. Give some more information on this, why I chose this. It hasn't been around hardly any time at all, and it's got less than a week. So we're way, way, way early, and this has got major, major momentum, and I talk about that in the video here. And then the third one is Gold Grinder. A friend of mine told me about this. He said, "Go, Dale, go take a look at it." This has also been around less than a week at the time of this video, and I think this is the one. It's got almost $1 million in locked liquidity. almost. I mean, this thing is just growing, exploding. It's quicker than baked beans ever did, or or even quicker than roast beef started. So those are the three. That's why I hope this answers your questions. If you really are interested in these and how to get started, you can go in and click the videos on these pages. And again, I'll put the links below this video. And hopefully now you guys understand where I'm coming from. And I know those of you that were giving me a hard time about it, it it was not malicious at all. I get that. We're still friends. And as you know, and you've heard me say probably 1,000 times, never try to explain yourself. Your friends don't need an explanation, and your enemies aren't going to believe you anyway. And I know most of the flack I've gotten through email has been from people that are not just friends, but very close friends. So anyway, guys, if you're thinking about this, these videos, and again, the links will be at the bottom of this page, bottom of this video. You can go in, go directly to these pages, watch them, and it'll give you much more detail about these three programs. But for me, looking behind the curtain, looking at the numbers, it just makes sense. Will they be here 30 days from now? All three of them? I believe they will. And if they are, I will have tripled my money with every single one of them. That's the deal. Uh, I'm going to be doing more and more crypto related videos on this channel. If you're into crypto, we have boxes running all types of mining coins around here. I mean, I'm into this world. I'm s- I'm having so much fun. I'm so thankful that I have global, and the whole Hotspot helium mining world was opened up to me because it's really uh, opened up for me a world that I had no idea even existed. And you know what? I all my friends are entrepreneur minded. They're operating all types of different businesses. A lot of network marketing leaders, people that are operating Shopify stores and all these other businesses that I've been involved with as well over the years, Amazon FBA, and the list goes on and on. There is nothing that I have seen in 40 years that can come close to the income, opportunities, and risk, but true opportunities that are available in this crypto space. And I'll just end it with the way I started it. If you have not checked out CMG iHub team and you're into crypto, you're missing the boat. You're missing the boat. When I say I sincerely believe this is $1 million opportunity, I believe it's $1 million opportunity. Not because of the $20 or whatever the H&T coin is selling for today, but because of where it's going and the projections that I've seen. And I don't know how many of you actually saw you may have seen the keynote that Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Leary, did from Shark Tank on the crypto conference that was held in Miami here a couple of weeks ago with over 25,000 people in attendance. But he mentions five coins in his opening remarks. One of them was H&T. And some people have said, and I've seen it, and we've got documentation on this, but they're rejecting that H&T coin by 2030 could be $938 per coin. I think it was 938. Let's just call it 800 to be safe. It was 8 or 900, but 838 or 938. Let's say $800. Okay, I have people right now, and we'll have 30,000 people by the end of the year that over the next couple of years will create 1,000 plus H&T coins because they get, I would rather make 1% on 100 people's efforts than 100% on my own. They get it. And they'll have 1,000 coins sitting in their wallet. And when that coin goes to $800, because some people will have thousands of coins, I believe instant millionaires will be created when that happens. You just got to do the math. So, anyway, guys, I hope that helps you. No, I'm not crazy. Again, I've got my foundation crypto investments in place, and I see these, and I'm not going to go hog wild, and I'm not going to be in 33 of these, but I see these three projects as projects that will be here in 30 days, and if and when they are, I will double my money. You guys have a great weekend, or whenever you're watching this. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'm getting crazy with this stuff. I'm head over heels in this world, uh, and I won't give you any fluff. So subscribe to the channel, and any comments, insults that you want to leave it below this video, I will answer them. You guys have a good one. Talk to you soon.